Yo, hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first ever getting a keyboard on mobile. So I can do with my keyboard on mobile. Let's try it. Play GMC Dash on my keyboard. Try again. See if this works. Yo, it is gonna be working. It is working right now. I hope I can beat it, bro. Please, bro. Please. 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 Whoa! Yo, I just got it from only one attempt, bro. How about can we go on the other hardest one? Can we try this one? Let's try.